Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G 2026, the latest mid-range beast that's redefining what we expect from a smartphone in this category. Samsung has truly pushed the boundaries again, giving us a premium experience at a price that won't break the bank. Let's dive in and see why the Galaxy A54 5G might just be one of the most balanced and value-packed phones of 2026. Starting with the design, Samsung has outdone itself this time. The Galaxy A54 5G carries a sleek, minimalist aesthetic inspired by the flagship S series. The glossy glass back, refined frame, and symmetrical bezels make it feel every bit like a premium phone. It's available in stunning color options like graphite black, mint green, and the all-new lavender glow, which gives off a soft metallic sheen under the light. The device feels sturdy yet lightweight in the hand, with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection ensuring solid durability against scratches and drops. The display is simply gorgeous. Samsung's signature Super AMOLED Plus panel shines again, a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits of peak brightness. Scrolling feels buttery smooth, colors pop with vibrancy, and the contrast is breathtaking. Whether you're gaming, streaming Netflix, or editing photos, the visuals are crisp and immersive. Watching content outdoors is no issue at all thanks to Samsung's adaptive brightness technology, which automatically adjusts to your surroundings. Performance-wise, the A54 5G 2026 takes a big leap. Powered by Samsung's Exynos 1490 processor built on the 4nm architecture, it delivers remarkable speed and efficiency. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage, this phone breezes through multitasking, heavy gaming, and demanding apps without a hint of lag. The integrated 5G modem ensures blazing fast internet speeds, while the improved vapor cooling system keeps the device cool during long gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, and this is where the A54 5G really shines. The triple lens system includes a 64 megapixels main sensor with OIS, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro lens. The photos come out sharp, colorful, and full of detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Low light performance has improved significantly thanks to Samsung's enhanced nightography algorithm. The 32 megapixels front camera takes flawless selfies with excellent skin tone accuracy and depth. You can also shoot 4K videos at 60 FPS with steady stabilization, making this a dream phone for vloggers and content creators on a budget. The battery life is another area where Samsung nailed it. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts through a full day of heavy use, gaming, video recording, and streaming all included. With the 45W super fast charging support, you can power up from 0 to 70% in just about 30 minutes. The adaptive battery technology also learns your usage patterns to save power intelligently over time. On the software front, the Galaxy A54 5G runs on One UI 7.0 based on Android 16, offering a smooth, clutter-free interface with tons of customization options. You get Samsung Knox security, 4 years of OS updates, and 5 years of security patches. That's flagship-level support right there. Features like smart widgets, seamless multitasking, and AI-driven performance optimization make the experience even better. Audio quality is crystal clear with dual stereo speakers tuned by AKG, delivering rich sound and deep bass. The Dolby Atmos feature enhances both wired and wireless audio, perfect for music lovers and gamers alike. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a reliable under-display fingerprint scanner that's faster than ever. In short, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G 2026 is not just another mid-range phone, it's a statement from Samsung that premium experiences don't have to come with premium prices. It combines flagship-level design, display brilliance, strong performance, great battery life, and versatile cameras into one complete package. For users who want power, style, and longevity without stretching their budget, this phone is easily one of the best choices of the year. So if you're thinking of upgrading your device in 2026, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G should definitely be at the top of your list. It's stylish, fast, and built to last. a perfect balance between luxury and practicality. Thanks for watching Auto Smartphone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech reviews coming your way.